Are you ready to discover the age-old secret to deeper, more restful sleep? Tucked away in your spice cabinet could be the answer you've been searching for. Imagine this: a warm, comforting aroma fills your kitchen, and soon it's not just your home that smells inviting, but your whole body feels relaxed and ready for a peaceful night's rest. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today we raise spilling the beans on a spice that has been a sleep aid superstar for centuries: nutmeg. Have you ever tossed and turned at night, staring at the ceiling, wishing you could just drift off? What if I told you that the answer might be sitting right in your spice rack? A pinch of this warm, earthy spice has been used for centuries, from ancient Ayurveda to traditional remedies, as a natural sleep enhancer. And science is finally catching up. Today, we're diving into nutmeg, the spice that could help you sleep deeper, longer, and wake up more refreshed. Welcome back to our channel, where your well-being is our top priority. Before we dive into the aromatic world of nutmeg, if you find value in our content, do us a favor and hit that like button. Let's get started. Millions of people around the globe struggle with falling or staying asleep. And it's not just about counting sheep. Quality sleep is crucial for our physical and mental health. Yet here we are, often turning to pills or potions promising a peaceful night's rest. But what if there's a simpler, more natural solution waiting in your pantry? Enter nutmeg. This humble spice derived from the seeds of the nutmeg tree has a rich history, not just in cooking, but in traditional medicine. Nutmeg has been celebrated for its potential to help you sleep better. So let's explore the fascinating connection between nutmeg and sleep. Throughout history, nutmeg has been revered for its warming and comforting properties. In ancient Ayurveda, traditional Indian medicine, nutmeg was prized as a natural sedative. Its subtle yet effective calming properties made it an ideal choice for those seeking relaxation and tranquility. Similarly, in Unani medicine, based on ancient Greek traditions, nutmeg held a special place as a herb for soothing the mind and nervous system. The belief was that nutmeg could help alleviate anxiety and stress, paving the way for a restful sleep. But it wasn't just the practitioners of these ancient systems who recognized the benefits of nutmeg. In medieval Europe, nutmeg was believed to bring peaceful dreams and was often used to alleviate insomnia. These traditional uses were not mere folklore. Nutmeg actually contains certain compounds that can interact with our body's chemistry to promote relaxation and sleepiness. One of the key compounds found in nutmeg is myristicin. This natural substance has mild sedative effects, which can help calm the nervous system and reduce overthinking, a common culprit behind sleepless nights. Another compound, elemicin, is known for its calming properties and can help induce a sense of drowsiness, making it easier to fall asleep. Additionally, nutmeg is a good source of L-tryptophan, an amino acid that plays a role in producing serotonin, a neurotransmitter that promotes feelings of happiness and relaxation. Your body converts some of this tryptophan into melatonin, also known as the sleep hormone. Beyond its chemical composition, nutmeg also has a pleasant aroma. Simply smelling the spice can have a relaxing effect on the mind, helping to alleviate stress and anxiety. When you inhale the scent of nutmeg, it stimulates the olfactory center in your brain, which is connected to areas responsible for processing emotions. This can lead to a calming response that promotes sleepiness. So how can you incorporate nutmeg into your routine for better sleep? One popular method is consuming a warm bedtime drink that includes nutmeg. A simple recipe is to mix a pinch of nutmeg with warm milk or almond milk and a touch of honey. This creates a comforting, slightly sweet concoction that can aid in relaxation. Nutmeg's cozy, vanilla-like fragrance adds to the experience, creating a soothing ritual that signals to your body that it's time for sleep. While traditional wisdom has long touted the benefits of nutmeg for sleep, recent scientific studies have begun to shed light on the mechanisms behind its effectiveness. Research suggests that nutmeg may help regulate the body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm. This is crucial for maintaining healthy sleep cycles and ensuring that you wake up feeling refreshed. Small studies have explored the impact of nutmeg on sleep. indicating that it can help individuals fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. For example, a study published in the International Journal of Ayurveda and Pharmacy investigated the effects of a herbal formulation containing nutmeg on sleep quality. The results showed that participants who received the formulation, which included nutmeg, experienced significant improvements in sleep quality compared to those who did not receive the treatment. Another study published in the Journal of Advanced Biomedical Research examined the hypnotic effect of a nutmeg extract on mice. The findings suggested that nutmeg may enhance sleep through its ability to increase the duration of slow-wave sleep, a deep restorative stage of the sleep cycle. While more research is needed to fully understand the sleep-promoting properties of nutmeg, these studies provide valuable insights into its potential as a natural sleep aid. Now, let's address a common question: how much nutmeg is safe to consume for sleep? As with any natural remedy, moderation is key. Consuming large amounts of nutmeg can lead to adverse effects such as nausea, dizziness, or even hallucinations. It's generally recommended to use about 1/8 of a teaspoon for sleep-related purposes. This can be mixed into warm milk or tea and consumed 30 minutes before bedtime. However, pregnant women should exercise caution and consult with a healthcare professional before consuming nutmeg due to its potential to lower blood pressure and induce uterine contractions. When it comes to using nutmeg for sleep, it's important to keep in mind that it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. While it has shown promise for many, it may not be as effective for others. Factors such as individual body chemistry, the severity of sleep issues, and other lifestyle factors can influence its effectiveness. So how does nutmeg compare to other popular sleep aids like melatonin supplements? Melatonin is a hormone that regulates the body's sleep-wake cycle. It is available as a supplement and is often used to help people adjust to different time zones or to manage insomnia. While melatonin is generally considered safe, it is important to note that not everyone responds to it and more research is needed to fully understand its long-term effects. Some people prefer natural alternatives like nutmeg, which have fewer side effects and align with their personal beliefs about using natural remedies. In addition to exploring sleep aids like nutmeg, it's also essential to prioritize good sleep hygiene practices. These include maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensuring a comfortable sleep environment. By combining natural remedies with healthy sleep habits, individuals can optimize their chances of achieving a restful night's sleep. Many people swear by golden milk, a traditional turmeric-based drink, for its potential sleep benefits. Golden milk typically consists of warm milk, turmeric, nutmeg, and a touch of honey. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and honey adds a soothing element. Together, these ingredients create a comforting beverage that can aid in relaxation and sleep. The combination of turmeric and nutmeg is thought to work synergistically, enhancing each other's sleep-promoting effects. Imagine a cozy evening after a busy day. You're ready to wind down and a delicious, slightly spicy aroma fills your kitchen. As you stir the milk, you think back to generations who have sipped on this very drink to find solace and rest. It's not just a bedtime ritual, it's a connection to tradition. A moment of mindfulness before sleep. If you're looking to add a dash of spice to your sleep routine and want to try a natural alternative like nutmeg, go ahead. Give it a shot. If not for a good night's sleep, do it for the peace of mind that comes from turning to age-old wisdom. You never know what wonders await you in that magical spice cabinet. Thank you for joining us today. We've unlocked another secret of nature's sleep potion, haven't we? Now, if you're still awake, don't fret. We've got more videos coming your way, each filled with tips and tricks for better sleep. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Until next time, sweet dreams.